In this video, we'll focus on something else. So imagine we have now the sales. We saw the sales. We analyzed our smallest order, our biggest order, the total order, the average order. And now we would like to know, all right, we know what is the day, or we know the date. This is our date, June 5, 2018. However, what is this exactly? Is this a Wednesday, a Tuesday, a Saturday, a Sunday? And of course, you can check it with going to your calendar. However, there is also a very useful tool in Excel how you can analyze that as well. And so let's start with that right away. So what we have to do is, first of all, we'll open the functions. Let's open here the functions. And we need the following functions called the weekday. So let's use that function. And weekday, and then we can select here what is the date that we want to analyze, if it's a weekday or weekend or a specific day. So weekday will give a value that is a number. Yes, so let's select the date. In this case, it's 5 June. And if we type and enter, you can see right now, because of the design, it says dollars. No, let's remove the dollars and things. All right, so you can see the value is number 3. And now is the question, what is the date of this? You might say, well, this is probably a Wednesday. Well, not that fast, because there are different ways to calculate the weekends, and let me show you that. So if you go here back to weekdays, you can see weekdays works with 2 values. They have the serial number, which is basically what is the date, and the serial number here, the date works with numbers. This you can see 4, 3, 2, 5, 6. Excel works with numbering the days, and the starting date would be this. Let me show you so you will have an understanding of that as well. So 1 January 1900 is the starting point. So let's go back to our formula here. You can see this, and what if we would change this to this one? You can see number 1. All right. But of course, that's not the case. What we want to do is we want this one, and that's days already 43,000 plus. But what we really want to focus on is the return type. The return type has different ways of displaying the date. And you can see here, it returns a number from 1 to 7, identifying the day of the week of a date. So let's go down a little bit more. You can see here the return type. The return type is a number, so it can be number 1, 2, or 3. Yes, so if it's number 1, then it means that Sunday is equal to day 1, and Saturday is number 7. If you want Monday to be the first of the month, or first of the week, then use number 2. So Monday will be 1, and goes up to Sunday, and that is number 7. Or if you want Monday to be 0 and Sunday to be 6, in that case, use option 3. So here's the return type. What is the return type? So the default return type is the first one, number 1. So if you have no value, it will be always number 1. In this case, what we want is we want number 2. We want to make sure that Monday is number 1 and Sunday is number 7. So we select the option number 2, enter, and now you can see it was previously number 3. And if you remember, the default option is number 1, meaning that Sunday is 0. So let me make this visual. If Sunday is 1, Monday is 2, and Tuesday is 3. And now, if we select the number 2 option, Tuesday is number 2. And this is number 1, and Sunday changes to number 7. And as you can see, this is how weekdays work. So if you want to analyze quickly what's the day or the week, and that is really how you can use that, to analyze it quickly. So if you like this kind of information and you would like to become more better in Excel, just go to my Udemy courses. Just see the link below. You see multiple courses available at a special rate where you can get better with Excel right away. So check out these courses right away.